In this video, we'll be showing you the browser. This opens the browser window. You can resize this window by clicking and dragging. There's a number of other ways to open the browser. I recommend learning the keyboard shortcuts as this will massively speed up your workflow. The keyboard shortcut for the browser is Command, Alt and B, or alternatively Command and F, which takes you straight to the find function. Once you've pressed Command and F, this will allow you to now begin typing into the search bar. The browser can be broken down into a few component parts. We have the categories such as the drums and the samples. We have places, which are locations on your computer or external hard drive. And of course we've got the search bar. Firstly we have sounds. This is all of Live's sounds and instruments categorized by the sound they make. As you can see, there are further sub-menus in the drop down for individual sounds. Next we have drums, which is all of Live's individual drum racks, kits, samples and hits. Notice the difference in icons between an instrument, a rack and a sample. We also have instruments or devices. These are all of Live's instruments, such as operator, analog, simpler and sampler. Their presets can be accessed using the drop-down arrow. For a default initialized preset, simply double-click the instrument heading. Next we have Ableton Live's audio effects, as well as MIDI effects. In Live, MIDI effects go before the instruments, so they can affect the MIDI input messages to the instrument, whereas audio effects go after instruments, so they can affect the audio on the output of the instrument. We also have plugins. These are third-party instruments, effects and devices. These are often referred to as AUs, audio units or VSTs. Clips show all of the clips within Live. What a clip is will be explained shortly, but they're fundamentally the building blocks of your track. Clips are also where audio and MIDI information is stored. Next is the samples. This is where you can find any of Ableton's audio samples and one-shots. If you use the search function, you also get an extra all results category, which is useful for searching for elusive files. Next we have places. This is a shortcut to folders on your computer and hard drive, which can be accessed using the browser. We also have packs, which is where we can access any of the packs that we've downloaded and installed from the Ableton website. Next we have our user library. This is where any of our custom presets and clips will be saved. You can also access the current project folder, which shows you all the content and samples being used in the current project and set. You can also add some of your own favourite locations, such as external hard drives and sample packs. To do this, simply click on the Add Folder text, which will open a dialog box, then navigate to the chosen folder on your hard drive. We can preview our presets while flicking through them by pressing the blue headphone icon in the bottom of the browser. We can also preview instruments and audio clips like this as well. Turning RAW on or off will define whether the sample or clip is played back in time with the project or at its original tempo. We can now select an instrument by double-clicking it. This now loads the instrument onto a new track and allows us to play it via a MIDI keyboard. So in this video, we've learned how to use the browser and search functions, as well as how to load presets. In the next video, we'll be looking at the two different types of track in Ableton Live.